So today we're going to be changing the spindle and the chain on our mini bike. And we're doing this because the chain has been stretching out and it's been popping off of the spindle.
What parts you got?
We got a new spindle here, and then we got this here that goes on it right here. It's a new one that fits the new chain that we got, which is more thicker and it may not stretch out.
It's called a clutch.
Yeah, what he said. And yeah, so we're gonna unbox it now because we just got it in the mail. So, came with some stickers here, and came with a note from a return address, I guess, with that there. Very nicely packaged.
I think it's from Power Sports go-kart and mini bike place.
And then here it is right here.
That's the sprocket that works with the larger 420 chain.
Yep. And then see if it fits on there. And it seems like it's fitting on there nice, so then we'll use it then. And because the chain also works with that, the clutch. There. And signing off. Okay, so we just put the clutch that we showed you from earlier on right now. It went on real easily to the motor there. So then we're gonna take this off and then replace it with this one right here with the Allen wrench here. Here we are.
Just keep going.
So it was kind of hard to get out the bolts because they're been in there for so long, but we got them out fine with a little bit of leverage from a wrench. And then we're gonna take this off here, and then we'll put this on and line up the holes. And then we'll use the same bolts here to put them back in to the tire or rim. The chain, because it may be too tight, because down here it doesn't really have a lot of play with it. It's kind of maybe too tight, so we're gonna loosen that, and then we'll see how it works. It may work better or it may work worse. This was me and my dad doing an update on our mini bike. Bye. This chain's working good! Yeah!